In this demonstration, we will be making cold-processed pistachio gelato. We have selected this flavor for the demonstration, but any pre-gel traditional paste can be used to make this style of gelato. Visit www.pregelamerica.com for a full listing of pre-gel traditional paste flavors. In this recipe for cold-processed pistachio gelato, we will be using the following pre-measured ingredients: whole milk, heavy cream, sugar, pre-gel dextrose, pre-gel total base, pre-gel pure green pistachio traditional paste, and pre-gel velutina. Begin your recipe by mixing the milk and cream together in a large bucket. In a separate bowl, combine the sugar, pre-gel dextrose, and pre-gel total base. Add the dry ingredients into the liquid mix, then add the pre-gel pure green pistachio traditional paste and pre-gel velutina. Blend with an immersion blender until completely combined. Now you're ready to pour the mixture into the batch freezer and begin the freezing cycle. Consult manufacturer instructions to determine the method of use and freeze time for your equipment. When gelato is ready to extract, the batch freezer will beep or notify you that it has completed freezing. Take the chilled gelato pan, switch the batch freezer into extraction mode, then use a chilled metal spatula to gather the gelato and place into the pan, moving from front to back. Two styles of gelato presentation result from extraction: peaks and sculpted. Peaks are easily achieved by simply placing mounds of gelato in the pan and allowing the gelato to come off the spatula naturally. Sculpted gelato is achieved when the gelato is extracted and then manipulated with the spatula into a swirled mound. Both styles are commonly accepted and provide an appealing artisanal feel for your display case. Showcased here are peaks. The final step in all gelato making is decoration. A simple, beautiful decoration for pistachio gelato is ground pistachio pieces sprinkled on top. Immediately store your gelato in a display case or standard freezer after extraction to preserve the shape and texture. If available, chill in a blast freezer for 20 minutes.